How to set default keyboard to Samsung keyboard or Gboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Keyboard. So if you want to set default keyboard to Samsung keyboard, and click on default keyboard. If you want to set Samsung keyboard, so click on Samsung keyboard. After click on Samsung keyboard, you will see default keyboard is set on Samsung keyboard. After set Samsung keyboard, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set default keyboard to Samsung keyboard or Gboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.